All right, y'all. Good morning. It is Wednesday, April, I think the 2nd. I'm about to go back to Morton's Power Equipment. They called me this morning and said my little Toro mower is ready for pickup. It cost me about, well, I'm not even going to disclose how much it costs. But this mower I got back in 2020 or 2021, paid full price for it, and I used it. And when I say I used it, I mean I used it. And it was sitting for quite a while. Like last year I didn't use it because some of the plastics and all of that was messed up. And that's when I got the Troy built TB 230, and that thing served me pretty good. And so, but this mower is just so smooth. It ready start or whatever, it starts on the first pull most time. And they went through and supposedly fixed everything for the money that I paid. And you know, you can get a brand new one for about $450, $500, maybe with the 163cc motor. They're like $500 and some dollars. But I didn't pay that much to get it repaired, but I am excited about what it looks like. I done moved everything on back of my pickup truck so I can get it in there, and this will probably be my primary mower. I will take it to Stephenburg and test it out in the backyard. So y'all just stand by. I'm really excited to go over here and get this thing, and I've got a few yards that I gotta go mow, and I said I wanted to start like March 15th, but the grass wasn't ready, so I haven't contacted anybody and haven't really started a schedule or anything. But the focus this year is to get me at least 5 yards a day to go mow, and that'll be probably, I'm gonna say 3 to 4 days a week. I'm not gonna do this every day because you'll get burnt out after a while. You know, if I had some help, I could probably do more, but I'm just trying to maintain. And like I said, I enjoy going to do this stuff as long as the money is right and all of that. And I enjoy helping people get their yards to look good. So, you know, and everything that you do costs money, but it doesn't have to be crazy. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. I'll probably just do a whole video after I come out and talk about the mower. You know, I don't know how these people are inside Morton's Power Equipment. I'm not gonna have my GoPro in there and nothing like that because they might be tripping. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. Stand by for later content on this like new used mower that I had repaired.